Okay, we are going to embed or link a Google Doc into our assignment page, and you can do this onto an assignment or any page really. Again, I'm using the RCE enhancement page, but if you are using the normal page, then there will actually be the Google Drive icon, and you just click on that. On this one, I'm going to click the cord with the apps and scroll down to where it says Google Apps and choose that, and it'll bring up my Google Drive. Ignore my Google Drive, it is a mess, but I'm gonna just search for this option, YouTube scavenger hunt, and then I have the option to embed or link. Link is going to make it so students have to open the link up in their own folder, and then they can make a copy and save it. I'm going to choose embed, and then it shows up right there. Students will, if they haven't yet, have to authorize their Google account and able to access it. You can still put how many points you want, the assignment grouping, you want it, online,